In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk into your website, whether you're setting it up for enhanced customer support or streamlined communication. Integrating Zendesk can really transform the way you interact with your website visitors. Let's dive into it and get you set up with this essential tool. First things first, let's navigate within Zendesk itself. Begin by logging into your Zendesk support account. Once you're in, head over to the Admin Center. Now, it might sound complex if you're new, but it's really just a centralized space where you can manage all your settings and channels. Click through to Channels, and from there, you'll want to select either Web Widget, Classic, or Messaging, depending on which version you're aiming to implement on your site. These widgets are what will appear on your website, allowing visitors to interact with your support team in real time. Once you've accessed the appropriate widget settings, Zendesk will provide you with a JavaScript embed snippet. This snippet is essentially a little block of code that enables the functionality of the Zendesk widget on your site. It might look a bit like a foreign language if code isn't your forte, but rest assured, all you need to do is copy it. Now, with this code in hand, navigate over to your website's HTML. If you're not familiar with HTML, it may help to consult with a web developer or someone a bit more tech-savvy to ensure you're editing your site safely. The key is to paste this snippet in the right place. Ideally, you'll want to insert it just before the closing tag on your pages. The reasoning behind this placement lies in ensuring that the widget loads seamlessly without interfering with other crucial elements of your site. If your website uses a template that is universal across your pages, pasting the code into this main template is a smart move. Doing so ensures the widget appears consistently everywhere, offering a unified customer experience. As a small tip, before you implement any changes, make sure you have a backup of your website's current state. This way, if something doesn't go quite right, you can easily revert back and troubleshoot without too much stress. Once you've embedded the snippet, it's a good idea to test the widget across various pages and different devices. Ensure that it's displaying correctly and that visitors can initiate chats or leave messages as expected. It's all about ensuring that your integration enriches the user experience rather than detracting from it. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Zendesk into your website. By following these steps, you've set the stage for enhanced customer interactions, paving the way for improved customer satisfaction and potentially higher conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident in bringing Zendesk's capabilities to your site. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out or consult Zendesk's comprehensive support resources.